Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another our favorite video, and it is Zara and H&M haul. Oh my god. When it comes to shopping, Zara and H&M is my go-to brand to shop. So today I'm going to share huge Zara and H&M haul. So I have a lot of product to share with you guys. So without further ado, let's begin with the video. Starting with the very first product which I'm wearing right now, of course, obviously, as we always do. So I'm starting from Zara, okay? So it is this t-shirt. It is a Dumbo print t-shirt, and oh my god, this color looks so pretty. It is a very pretty pink kind of a color. It is a very different pink. I haven't owned this kind of color as such till now, though I'm obsessed with pinks. But yeah, this is very different pink, and yeah, I bought it to wear with shorts and denim skirts. Yeah, of course, this is going to look fabulous with denim shorts and shoes and watch. Yeah, for that funky kind of look, this is going to look very pretty. And yeah, I bought it in size small because obviously it is very oversized, as you can see. So it has a print going on in the back also. I hope you can see the print. Yeah, so and yeah, it is very comfortable. The fabric is also very good, and yeah, so far I'm loving this product. So let's move on to the other product. Okay, so next I purchased is this crop top. This is from their basics collection, and as you can see, it has tank top kind of a pattern going on. Please kindly avoid this, okay, because it is looking pretty bad. So yeah, this is a white basic crop top. I got this in size small, and I got two colors in this. I purchased because of course this is basic. This is going to come in very handy, and I can get a lot of use out of this product. So yeah, that's for that reason I bought this product. And yeah, as you can see, I am styling it with this denim. You will see this denim in a minute. So this is in ribbed fabric, as you can see, and it is very comfortable. The material is very soft, and yeah, Zara basics are always good, as I always say, and I don't mind investing in Zara basics because of course I'm going to get a lot of use out of it. So this is going to be a very beneficial, and material is really very comfortable, and yeah, I can style it with so many different bottoms. Like it is going to look fabulous with wide leg pants and trousers and denims. Of course, I purchased one from Zara. You will see further in this video. And I'm already in love with all the products which I purchased from Zara this time. There are only 1 and 2 products which I don't really like, kind of, but yeah, you will see. So it comes to a very decent kind of a length. I mean, it is not too cropped, but of course, if you want, you can always tuck it into your bra, and yeah, make it as much cropped as you want, or you can wear it as it is. It is going to look fabulous. So yeah, did you guys notice my hair? Yeah, I gone shorter, little shorter, because it is very hard to maintain long hairs in summers, oh my god, don't get me even started on that. But yeah, so these are the denims which I purchased from Zara. These are their wide leg full length denims, and I purchased it in size 38 UK 10. Yeah, that is the size, and these are really comfortable. These are so damn good. Oh my god, these are really good and comfortable, and the fit of it is very nice, and but these looks good. But yeah, one thing you have to keep in mind, I'm wearing shoes, and still they are little bit longer, not longer, but after wearing shoes they come to a good length. But if you are shorter, I mean below 5'5", so this is not going to fit. For the reference, I am 5'7", so I'm pretty tall, and it is still longer on me. So yeah, it is their standard full length denims. So the good thing is you can chop it, you know, from the bottom, because they have raw hem, so you can, you know, trim it at home. Of course you can, you know, chop it with scissors, and they are going to be a very comfortable. And but yeah, if you are below 5'5", so I don't know where the knee rips are going to come. Knee rips are going to, you know, go further down, and it is not going to be comfortable, I guess. I mean, knee rips का फिर कोई फायदा रह तो जाएगा नहीं. So yeah, these are the denims, and I really like it. And this is the another one in black color. As you can see, this is also from their basics collection. Of course, this is a different shade, and it also looks very fabulous and a very versatile piece. Again, looking very nice on me. खुद की तारीफ मैं बहुत ज़्यादा कर रही हूँ, but yeah, it is looking very nice. So it is also in ribbed material, and very comfortable, very versatile piece. Again, you can style it in multiple ways with so many bottoms, and yeah, I can get a lot of use out of it. So this is how it looks. It is a very decent kind of a length. कहाँ लगाऊँ मैं इसको? Wait. Yeah, I guess. So next I purchased is this again pink basic t-shirt. The color is very pretty. It is baby pink in shade color, sorry. And yeah, it is in cotton fabric. The only thing which I don't like is this. I mean, what the hell is this? I really don't like this, you know, cuffed sleeve, because yeah, I like a little bit, you know, very flowy and comfortable sleeve, little bit looser, not this kind of sleeve. This is very cuffed. I don't like it for some reason, I don't know, but yeah, still I'm going to keep it anyways because it is looking very pretty. I love the color, I love the pattern, the design, and the slogan. Yeah, of course. This t-shirt is sold out, and it is sold out, I guess, because I was searching and it was out of stock already. So this was the t-shirt. It is looking very nice, and yeah, the material is very comfortable. It is in pure cotton material, really good, very good quality, and yeah, it looks nice. Let me show you how it looks. So very basic, decent kind of a top. So this one is from H&M. I got this peach colored t-shirt, and it looks so stunning. So this is the article which I purchased from H&M. This top looks amazing. मैंने अभी तक इसको try नहीं किया था. I am trying in front of you guys, and it is looking fabulous. I mean, the color is beautiful because it just came today. Just अभी parcel मैंने receive किया है, and मैं shoot करने बैठ गई हूँ. So yeah, this is the first piece from H&M which I purchased, and this necklace, of course. So this is the second article which I purchased from H&M. It is this one. This is a 3-layered necklace, or necklace ही बोलते हैं ना, क्या बोलते हैं इसको, chain, if you want to call that. Let me fix it पहले. So this is a 3-layered necklace which you can wear tight करके भी. This one also is about $6.99 or $7.99. I'll mention the price on the screen so you can see. It looks very beautiful, very stunning. I mean, this is going to look beautiful with this kind of tank tops, or with white shirt, or any blouse. You can pair it with, you know, anything, and this is going to look very fabulous. I mean, of course. And along with that I purchased this bracelet set. I'll link all the products in the description box so you guys can check that out. So this is the bracelet which I purchased from H&M, and I was skeptical about this, but after receiving it and wearing it, trying it on, I am in love with this product because this looks really nice, really cute. So you can see how it looks. I like it little bit looser on my hands, so I wore it like that, but you can wear it as you want. This is how the whole combination looks. The top looks amazing, stunning. I love it already. This is very nice. इसको हटाते हैं पहले. So yeah, this looks really very nice and very cute. The color is fabulous. I'm in love with this color. You know, this color looks amazing. मैं ऐसे उछल के दिखा रही हूँ. फ्रेम में आना हो नहीं पा रहा है मेरा. So yeah, and it has lace trims on the chest, on the neck, and they are going crossway down there also. So it looks really very nice. And yeah, I forgot to show you, it has adjustable straps, so you can adjust as your convenience. I mean comfort, you can wear it as you want. So yeah. Next I purchased is this cord set from Zara. As you can see, it is in linen fabric, and I ordered this in size small, as you can see. And yeah, the skirt is also in size small. So I hope you can see. I'll insert the vertical clip here, I mean standing wala, so you can see what how it looks as a cord, wearing as a cord. But yeah, so far I am loving this cord. This is looking very feminine, and this is giving me a very girly, very feminine, beautiful kind of a vibe. This outfit is amazing and perfect for that vacation and brunches with your girlfriends, and for just a casual day out or date out. Of course, you can wear it on a date off, obviously. So this is the skirt. The skirt has also button details till here, and it has a high slit at one leg, and yeah, it is also in pure linen fabric. Yeah, this whole cord costed me 5,000, 2,500 for this top, and 2,500 for the skirt. But considering the fact is you can wear both the pieces separately, I mean with different bottoms and different tops, these are really very versatile pieces and value for money, I personally feel that. So yeah, I really like these cord, and yeah, I'm really happy with this purchase. So next up I purchased is the satin jacket. Let me try it for you so you can see how it looks. I know this is summertime and this is not the time when you can purchase jacket, but this is not thick. I mean, this is not thick at all. I got it to wear like this, I mean something like this. I thought this will look very nice with tank tops or with tube tops or those kind of outfits. So I bought it in cord set. I don't know if you can see the bottom or not, but I bought this satin pants along with this satin jacket. So this is kind of a cord, but I think I'll be returning this pants because I'm not very happy with this pants. But this jacket, I'm really confused with this jacket. I mean, I don't know if I like it or not. So this is how it looks. It is kind of a crop jacket. So yeah, and it has this ruched details on the sleeves, which are not functional, I guess. No, this doesn't function at all. This is just for show. And yeah, so this is the cropped satin jacket. So this is how the jacket looks. I mean, you can wear it in multiple ways. I like to wear it like this in summers. I mean, this is very comfortable. This is not thick at all. This is like a satin shirt almost. so I can wear it in summers very comfortably. There's no issues in that. And yeah, you can wear it. I mean, this can be paired with tank tops, with spaghetti tops, or with tube tops, with crop tops, or with bralettes. Yeah, this is going to look fabulous with those kind of articles. I mean, if you want to wear you know, bralettes and crop tops or tank tops, but still you don't want to show a lot of skin, so yeah, this kind of piece is very you know, useful and very handy in your wardrobe. I mean, you can style it in so many different ways. I mean, it can be styled in so many different ways. So next thing I purchased, this one is from Zara. This is their basic tank top in lemon yellow shade color. Why I'm saying shade every time, I don't know, but yeah, so this is how it looks. I mean, this is a very basic piece, and this is in very stretchy fabric, as you can see. It is very comfortable, very stretchy, and yeah, the color is also very nice. I mean, this can be worn with so many bottoms or jackets or shirts for that matter. This is going to look very pretty, and yeah, I kind of like it. I mean, this color is my favorite anyways. I mean, I like this kind of vibrant colors. So you can wear it literally with anything. I'm wearing it with that same black trousers which you must have seen previously, or you will see further in this video. I don't know in which order. I will add a clip on in the final video. So yeah, this is really a basic top which looks really very stunning and very classy. I mean, you know, it gives very structured look to your body, as you can see. Next up, I purchased this icy blue tank top. First of all, I just love this shade because this shade looks very nice, and it goes very well with this paperback trousers which I'm wearing. So you can see this whole outfit looks really very cute. I really loved how it looks. So yeah, you can see how pretty it looks. And yeah, so these are their you know, all 12 months available kind of article. I mean, they make this kind of tank tops every single year. I mean, every year you can find this. This is their patent pattern, I guess. Yeah, they make this kind of tops every single year, and I bought it previously in shade dusty pink. Yeah, that is the shade, if I'm not wrong. I'll place it the picture here so you can see. You must have seen in my previous Zara haul. So yeah, this time I bought it in this sky blue, icy blue, whatever you want to call it, this kind of shade, because yeah, I found this color very unique. And yeah, this looks, you know, very summer appropriate. I mean, this gives very cool and very chilled kind of feel. Yeah. So and again, it looks really beautiful. I mean, it flaunts your curves really very nicely. It gives a very structured and very beautiful shape to the whole figure. So yeah, it is going to look fabulous. So yeah, this is how it looks. And if you can invest in this, please do own one, because it looks really very beautiful. I cannot, you know, belabor enough. I mean, how beautiful and how stunning the whole vibe and the whole look of it looks overall. So yeah, I purchased is this top. It is from their Contour collection, and I got it in size green, khaki green. I don't know if that is the color of this top, but yeah, this is how it looks. It has a turtleneck detailing going on, and yeah, it looks really very stunning. I'm wearing it with this same paperback trousers, and it is giving me really very pretty and very structured kind of a vibe. But this is going to look again very pretty with cargo pants, with denims. Yeah, this is going to look fabulous, and I got it for like $7.90 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, that is the price, and I got it in size small. I wear all the tops in size small actually, so if I forget to mention the sizing of any top, so please keep that in mind. And in bottoms I wear size 36 if it has a give or stretch, and if it doesn't have a stretch I wear 38 or size 10, UK 10. Yeah, so that is my size reference. So yeah, back to the outfit. This top is really cute. I got one contour collection crop top in size in shade black. It was their double spaghetti strap pattern, but yeah, this was a different pattern. This is in turtleneck pattern. So yeah, you can see how stunning it looks, and again very structured, very polished look it is going to give to your body. And yeah, so this is how the whole situation looks. If you want to have a closer look, it has a really good stretch and a ribbed pattern. Yeah, so this is how the pattern looks. Next, I purchased this night suit from H&M. Very comfortable. It has a shorts. This is a quad shirt. The night suit. This is how it looks. Again, I got it in pink shade, my favorite, and it is in cotton fabric, and it is very comfortable. I cannot exaggerate that it is really very comfortable. And yeah, it has a shorts, matching shorts underneath. No, not underneath, at the bottom. So let me adjust the frame so you can see. Wait. So yeah, this is how it looks. Very pretty, very comfortable, very breathable fabric, pleasant to the eyes, and it has burgers also, a lot of burgers. So yeah. So next two products I purchased are sunglasses. The first one is this clear one. These are priced at rupees 7.99, and yeah, it has little bit of purplish tinge to it, so it looks really very beautiful. And I was aiming to buy this kind of sunglasses for quite some time. So as soon as I saw this, I just grabbed my hands on this. Yeah. And yeah, so you can see how stunning it looks. It looks really very cute. Meet me, I'm clumsy like that. So moving on to the next pair of sunglasses, it is this one. These are cat eye sunglasses, and it looks really very pretty. I just fell in love with the sunglasses, and this one priced at rupees 9.99. Yeah, so you can see how cute it looks. And this time I bought a lot of accessories from H&M because I was really very surprised by the variety they have. So yeah. Wait, don't go. There are two more products from H&M which I wanted to share. So I got this bucket hat from H&M, which you might have seen already on my Instagram. So मुझे बहुत दिन से bucket hat लेनी थी, but I was not able to find my perfect color. I mean the color and the pattern which I like and I like to wear. Yeah, and I got one more in not same, it is different. Sponge Pop. Yeah, this looks most nicer. Yeah. So yeah, this was the second bucket hat which I purchased because I really like this, you know, white and black combination along with this initials. Of course, बचपन की याद आ जाती है SpongeBob पढ़ के. So yeah, these two bucket hats I got from H&M, and both of these are at $7.99. Yeah, I will link all the products in the description box, so you, in case you are interested in any, you can search for yourself and you can get it for yourself. So guys, here we came to an end of this video. Here our haul completes, and if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and please do consider subscribing to my channel. And yeah, I will see you super soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Bye.